Hey guys, this is Tyler Smith here with the MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. Going to show you a brand new 2023 MasterCraft NXT24. We've got this one with the stealth gray and the coastal blue metal flake, as you can see. Let's take a look inside and see some of the features. As we step inside of the boat, as you guys can see, we've optioned this with the oyster beige cool feel. This is going to stay really nice and cool here in the summer in Texas. And also you can see on the back of the boat we have the fiberglass swim step option on this boat. That swim step is going to make it really easy to get in and out of the boat for kids and everybody out there. As we step inside, you can see we have that oyster beige going throughout the boat. We have full JL audio throughout the boat, as well as 2 cans on our Z6 tower. And then also, of course, we have the patented MasterCraft clamping board racks. As we step inside the boat, you can see we have a ton of storage underneath all these seats, including our communicating storage. This one, you're going to be able to put everything that you need under the boat. And with that subfloor ballast, makes it really easy to store everything. On the helm, you can see we have our JL audio controller right here. We have our analog dials as well as switches for all your lights and everything. And also we're going to have our full surf system. Going to make it really easy with MasterCraft for you to get out there and make sure that everybody's having a good time and has their own surf settings for everything. And finally, as we step into the bow, you can see we have that MasterCraft pickle fork design, and we have a ton of seating up here. You guys can all chill out on the lake here in Texas. Again, this is Tyler Smith with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. Give me a call and we can get you squared away.